All right, we're going to take a mental health day off, and we're going to go to the New York Botanical Gardens Orchid Fest, or festival, right?
Yeah.
Yep, so...
Check it out.
Yep, and it is in the Bronx. So we have to go drive there because we are on the Upper West Side in New York City, in Manhattan, and so it's a little bit of a drive, but not too bad. And we will be there shortly. We're here. Now we just have to find a parking spot. All right, we're here. We made it.
Yeah.
Let's go
check it out.
Exactly.
Tickets already?
No.
No, here. If you want to buy them, right over there. Yeah.
Okay, great. Thanks. I guess one senior and one adult. All right, we got our tickets. You ready to go see this?
Yeah, I'm excited.
All right, let's check it out. Here's a little map, so if you ever are interested, you can stop the video. You can check this out. Got a shop. So the orchids are in the Haupt Conservatory, or whatever it's called. And so that's where we're heading right now. Kind of interesting, that tree that I just showed you, the branches are actually on the ground. Not sure why, but this is just that type of tree. That's where the orchid show is. Let's check it out. So Mr. Flower, who designs all of that, he is anonymous. No one knows who he is. So what do you think of that wall?
It's beautiful. This is the first thing we're seeing, and it's already beautiful.
Yeah, it's amazing. A little information on orchids. It's interesting, orchids kind of grow off of other trees. As you can see from a lot of these, they're all on other trees. This is a cocoa tree. You can actually see the cocoa bean right there. And there's more up here. Layer upon layer. have a little guide here, and that's where these are. We're in the desert. plants, they're carnivorous. See a mandarin tree. Dumpster of orchids. Car wash. And the car is made out of flowers. And these are dinosaur plants. The start of the peonies.
I would maybe come back in May to try to see that.
Yeah, peonies are one of your favorite, right, Robin?
Yeah, I love peonies.
So what'd you think of the orchid show?
I loved it. I thought it was really cool. I'm really glad we came out here. I think everybody should try to get out here if they can.
Yeah, I hope they could hear you from all the wind. But so what next?
I don't know. We're just going to wander.
All right, let's wander. All right, you want to do the daffodil walk?
Yeah, I like daffodils.
All right, let's go check it out. So I guess because it's the beginning of spring, there's a lot of daffodils that haven't bloomed yet. But I guess these are all gonna be bloomed, I guess, in a few days, huh?
Yeah, I think so.
So I'm not sure. That's some kind of museum over there. It's a beautiful building, but not sure what the museum is for.
Do you know what this is?
Sorry?
Do you know what that is?
That's the Mertz Library.
Oh.
So it's like research, botanical stuff. There's a few plants in there, sometimes art galleries. Historically, it was a museum,
Right.
but now it's mostly administration buildings.
Oh.
You're welcome to visit the library if you'd like.
Oh, okay, awesome. Do you work in there?
Yeah.
Thank you.
All right,
Enjoy your visit.
Yeah, thank you. This is the last day of March, so the daffodil thing, what'd you think?
Probably a little too early. We jumped the gun, but I was excited to see the Orchid Festival. So I think it'd be better if you come in mid-April, and I bet a lot more stuff will be blooming here. It'll be gorgeous.
Yeah, I mean, as you saw, there's very few daffodils bloomed. A rock garden here. They have signs that tell you what the plants are here. Kind of nice. So you know what you're looking at. So it appears that this is the oldest part of the garden, and it's like the quietest part of the garden. I love the sound of the babbling brook. It just feels so peaceful and so calming. There's just something so de-stressing about listening to just water run like that out in nature. It's very relaxing, very calming, very stress reducing. Thain Family Forest. There is a children's adventure garden here too. So if you want to bring your kids, they can enjoy that one. Well, we obviously didn't check out everything, but you know, we really came for the orchids and we got to see them, and that was awesome. as you saw. And so if you like the video, make sure you give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. And if you have any questions, comments, leave them in the comments and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. And if you know anyone who could use healthy living videos like this, make sure you share it with them. And in second, 2 videos will pop up any moment. You can click on either of those videos and continue your healthy living journey. And I will see you all next time.